Hello students of DAV Nandraj Public School. Yes, today we are going to study chapter 4 of GK, First Women in India for class 3. There is a two column given A and B and you have to match A and B. Okay, the first women in India. Let us see the first one, the first Indian woman to be a governor. Yes, and the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Yes, Sarojini Naidu. She governed the Uttar Pradesh from 15th August 1947 to 2nd March 1949. So she was the first Indian woman to be a governor. Second one, the first Indian woman to be a minister. And the answer is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Vijayalakshmi Pandit is elected as the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly. She was also an Indian politician. The third one, the first Indian woman to be a prime minister. All of you know, she is Srimati Indira Gandhi. I have already discussed in the earlier videos which I have shared. She was the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, born on 19 November 1917. Fourth one, the first Indian woman to get an Oscar. Yes, the answer is Bhanu Athaya. Bhanu Athaya. She was the first Indian to win an Academy Award, born on 28 April 1926. She is an Indian costume designer, worked in over 100 films since 1950s. The fifth one, the first women president of Indian National Congress. Yes, the answer is Annie Besant. Annie Besant was a writer, orator. She was born in Britain. She held the post of president from late 1917 through 1918. Sixth one, the first woman to swim across the English Channel. Yes, and the answer is Aarti Saha. Aarti Saha, she was the first Asian woman also to swim across the English Channel in 29 September 1959. She was an Indian sportswoman to be awarded Padma Shri. Now the first Indian woman to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar. Again, the answer is not Aarti Saha, but it's Aarti Pradhan. The last one you can see, the Aarti Pradhan. Aarti Pradhan was the youngest swimmer, had inclination towards swimming since childhood. She crossed the Strait of Gibraltar in the year 1988. Yes, now the first woman to become a central minister. To become a central minister, the answer is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, she was a Gandhian secretary. First woman, now see the ninth one, the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes, all of you know the answer, I think. The answer is Bachendri Pal. Is an Indian mountaineer who in 1984 and 2020 reached the summit of Mount Everest. She was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2019. She was born on 24th of May 1954 in Uttar Kashi. Now the last one, the first women speaker of State Assembly. And the answer is Shano Devi. Shano Devi, again she was an Indian politician born on Multan on 1st June 1901. She was elected twice as a Punjab Legislative Assembly and Haryana Legislative Assembly. So that's all about chapter 4, the first women in India. Thank you students.